Hi there, I'm Dr. Bob Harbour. We left off last lecture with explaining different types of trophic cascades. Unfortunately, we also left some of you looking like this.
Top down what?
Bottom up, huh? So, I'm calling in some of your peers to come help clear things up. Hey, Dr. Parber. Sure thing, we'll do our best.
Before studying food web dynamics, it is best to start with reviewing with what a simple food chain is. Think of it as a flow of energy. In the context of food chains, it is a linear sequence showing where energy is produced and how it is consumed by a variety of organisms, such as phytoplankton, which are consumed by krill, and in turn are consumed by whales. Each one of those levels in the food chain is a different trophic level, but very rarely are there linear food chains. Mostly, there are food webs. This is a more realistic showing of animals in different trophic levels interacting, depicting all the different ways energy can flow, from primary producers to primary consumers and onwards and upwards. These different animals can eat at different trophic levels, feeding relationships shown in a linear hierarchy. So this fifth level lancet fish can eat a squid in the fourth level, but can also eat amphipods in the third level.
Primary producers and consumers are sometimes offset because influences the dynamics can either be top down or bottom up. Bottom up is the dynamics of food webs that are controlled by abiotic forces, such as weather or availability of nutrients. For example, the abiotic forces of increasing wind cascades through the ecosystem, seen by increasing production of phytoplankton, which increases the amount of zooplankton. Increasing the amount of small fish produces an increase in big fish. In top down, the presence of large predators controls the dynamics of the ecosystem. So when you have an increase in the amount of sharks, you have a decrease in the amount of smaller fish. Therefore, we witness a larger population of zooplankton, which in turn decreases the amount of phytoplankton.
That's all there is to it, really. If the cascade is initiated by an abiotic factor, it is bottom up. If it's initiated by a top predator, it's top down. Let's do an eye clear question so we can show the professor that you nailed the topic. If there was a decrease in sea otter populations, it would result in an increase of sea urchins and a decrease in kelp. What kind of trophic cascade is this an example of? Woo! You guys got it!
Yay!
Congratulations!
Yeah!